Force, work, and energy. We know that non-living things cannot move on their own. If you push or pull them, they will move. When you push or pull something, you do work. For doing work, you need energy. Force. An action of pull or push which makes an object move is called a force. Force can do many things. Force can stop a moving object. While playing cricket, if you take a catch, you stop the movement of the ball. Force can change the direction of a moving object. When a bowler bowls, the batsman applies the force to change the direction of the ball for hitting a shot. Force can change the shape of an object. If you press an air-filled balloon between your palms, it will change its shape. While pressing it, you apply the force to change its shape. Kinds of force. There are different kinds of force. Muscular force. When you use your muscles to move things, you use muscular force. The force applied by humans and animals is called muscular force. It helps to bend, twist, lift, or move an object. Gravitational force. If you throw a coin into the air, it falls on the ground. It is because of the force of the earth that pulls or attracts the coin towards it. This is called gravitational force of the earth or gravity. Tension. If you stretch a rubber band, you feel a force. This force is called tension. It supports goods in shopping bags. It also helps climbers on ropes. Frictional force. The force that tries to stop a moving object sliding over another is called friction. It results when two surfaces rub against each other. If you roll a ball on the surface of ground, it stops after some time. The friction resulting from the rubbing of the surfaces of the ground and ball stop the movement of the ball. Work. Work is used to describe a lot of activities in everyday life. In science, however, the word work has a very specific meaning. Work is said to be done only when the force applied on an object causes it to move through a distance. If the force applied by you moves an object through a distance, the work is done on the object by you. If you pick up a book from the ground, you do work. If you hold the book steadily, you do not do work. If you can move a chair, you do work. If you cannot move a table in spite of your maximum effort, you do not do work. If an acting force does not move the object, no work is done. Activities such as reading, sleeping, and thinking are not considered as work in science because no force is applied in these cases and no object is moved. Energy. The ability to do work is called energy. Nothing can live, move, or work without it. All living things need energy to live. Machines need energy to work. We need energy to do everything, right from the basic activities such as walking, reading, and talking, to difficult tasks such as lifting, carrying, and climbing. Forms of energy and their sources. We use different kinds of energy. We also get energy from various sources. Solar energy. The sun is the main source of energy. The energy we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants use this energy to prepare their food. We eat this food to get energy. We get fuels such as wood and coal from the plants. They have stored heat energy in them. Solar energy is also used in solar cookers, solar heaters, etc. Wind energy. The energy produced by the force of wind is called wind energy. It is used to do work such as pumping water and grinding grain. When wind blows, It moves the blades of a windmill and produces electricity. Thus, wind is a source of energy. It is also used to generate electricity. Water energy. Water can turn a wheel called turbines. Dams are built to check water from flowing down a river. When water is released from dam, it gushes down and turns the wheels to produce electricity. Thus, water is a source of energy. Heat energy. Heat energy is used for cooking food, running a car, etc. We get heat energy by burning fuels like kerosene, petrol, coal, and cooking gas. Electrical energy. Every time we turn on an electric switch, we use electrical energy. It gives heat, light, and runs machines. We use it to run our television, cooler, refrigerator, washing machine, etc. Electrical energy is produced from the force of moving wind, falling water, and burning coal. There are also some other forms of energy like sound energy, nuclear energy, chemical energy, etc. Conversion of energy. Energy can be changed from one form to another. When we turn on the switch of light, electrical energy is converted into light energy. When we turn on an electric iron, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. When the switch of a calling bell is turned on, electrical energy is converted into sound energy. When a plant prepares its food, it converts solar energy into chemical energy. When crackers are burned, chemical energy is converted into light and sound energy.